He said he would be here at 2. It's already 2.
He'll come.
You came. Come in, come in. I have so much to show you. Okay. It came yesterday. I waited all morning to open it with you. What is it? Look at this. It walks and its eyes light up red. And you can change the speed, fast or slow. Watch. I see it. And this pod. Dad got me this too. It goes really fast on the mat. Cool. Oh, and this one, Fenny, we can build a whole bridge together. That's nice. Liam, isn't this the coolest thing you've ever seen? I have to go home now. But we didn't play yet. You just got here. Sorry. I have to go.
Leaving already, Liam? You're welcome to stay for a snack.
Thank you. I have to go. We didn't even play with any of them. Where's your new friend? Did you have fun? He went home early. I don't know why. I just wanted to show him. I got all of these out for him. I know. What did you two talk about? I showed him the robot and the race car, and I showed him things. That's all I did. Did he get to talk about anything? I don't think I asked. I said sorry for being boring. I hope he reads it. Maybe he's still walking home. It's not that far. You seem quiet. Is something on your mind? I don't know what I did wrong.
Think about how Liam looked at those toys.
He didn't look happy, Sophie. Maybe Liam doesn't have toys like these at home. Maybe every single thing I showed him. He couldn't have one. I didn't mean to make him feel that way. I know. But now you know how he felt. It's just a toy. I didn't think about that before.
I want to go back and say sorry. But not about the toys.
Then what? For not asking what he wanted to do. Can I go to Liam's? I want to talk to him. Do you know what you want to say? I'm not going to talk about toys at all.
Good call.
Just knock and say hi. That's it. Just hi first. Don't say anything about toys. Just talk to him. Hey, I didn't ask what you wanted to do today. Sorry.
You walked here just to say that?
Do you want to kick a ball around? We don't need anything else. You have a ball? This works. A ball is a ball, right? That's not even your ball. You kick with the wrong foot. That is my right foot. That hedge is winning. I let it win.
What do you like doing? I never asked.
Drawing. And climbing things. There's a good tree in our yard. You can get really high up in it. Yeah?
Come over next Saturday. We'll climb it.
Okay. How did it go?
Good. He likes drawing and climbing trees.
I just wanted to show him I wanted to be his friend. I think he got it. Anna, Clara, Beth, Priya. 4 down, 4 to go.
Are those for your birthday? How many people are coming?
7. Maybe 8. Where is Mia? You sit next to her every day. She's not really my friend. That's what I said.
But she talks to you all the time, and you always help her find her pencil.
Drop it, Jake!
Okay. Just seems weird to me, that's all.
She isn't. They all said she's too quiet. It's my party. I get to choose who comes.
Just give them out at break. It'll be fine.
Hi, Sophie.
Did you finish the drawing homework?
Yeah. was okay.
Your birthday is this weekend, right? You must be excited.
Yeah. Oh, when? You're in Sophie's class, right? I'm her brother.
I know. She talks about you sometimes. Are you going to Sophie's birthday party this weekend? What party?
Oh. Maybe Sayin. Maybe I got it wrong. I'm not sure.
It's fine.
She knows. Jake told her without meaning to. I'll explain later. I'll say there wasn't room.
I love your birthday parties, Sophie. Thanks. It's gonna be a really fun day.
She always has her pencils out when she doesn't want anyone to see. It was just a party list. Everyone does this. How was your day? Come tell me.
Fine. I have homework.
I could still do it. There is still time before Saturday. Mom says dinner in 10. Also, Koei, I'm really sorry about Mia.
What did she say?
I asked if she was going. I didn't know she wasn't invited. She's not really my friend. That's what I said.
She always saves me the window seat on the bus.
You've been quiet all evening. I think I did something unkind. I didn't invite Mia because the others don't really like her. Tell me about Mia.
She always shares her pencils. And she draws during every break.
She sounds like a good friend.
So why isn't she really your friend? Because the others don't want her to be. And what do you want?
I don't know yet.
If I send it now, she gets it Tuesday. There is still time.
Now I still have to give it to her. She always gets here early. Be here before the others. Just walk over. Just walk over and do it.
I should have given you this on Friday.
What is it?
I know it's late. You don't have to come. Did you always plan to invite me? No. But I should have. I'm sorry, Mia. That's honest.
I'll come. Thank you. That means a lot to me.
This is my best one. You can borrow it for the day. I'll be careful with it.
Did something good happen today? I think so. She is really my friend. I just wasn't being one back.
Yeah.
He must be new. He doesn't know where to look. Everyone, this is Ben. He just moved here.
Hi, Ben. Welcome to the class.
Hi. Thanks.
Don't bother. He won't stay. New kids never stay long.
I'll talk to him later. At break, maybe.
He's been by himself all morning.
I know. Someone else will do it.
Who is someone else?
He's been there the whole break. Someone will go soon.
Tomorrow, then. I will definitely say something tomorrow. He's there again today by himself. I should go over. Jake, I'll do it at break. It's easier outside.
Still waiting for someone else? Someone else will do it. I don't see anyone moving.
They will, just not right now.
Hey, Ren. I just wanted to say hello to you. That was right there. I was right there. 2 seconds. I just need 2 seconds of courage. Hey, Jake, come sit with us tomorrow. Friday, I will do it for sure.
How many more tomorrows does Ben have?
What do you mean? New kids don't wait forever. At some point, they stop hoping.
He's only been here 4 days.
Someone else will do it, Plague. They always do.
There is no someone else. There's just me. Where is Ben? Did you see him today?
No idea. Maybe he's absent.
Do you know where Ben is?
His family is moving again. He left this morning. He was here for 5 days. I didn't once go over. Bente, the new boy. Is he really gone already?
His family moves often. He may have gone this morning.
He does have his things until noon. He asked to say goodbye to the class. He asked to say goodbye? He asked to say goodbye. He still wanted someone to talk to. He's there. Same spot. He always sat in the same spot. Hey, I'm Jake. I know. You're in my class. I should have come and talked to you on Monday. Why didn't you? I kept thinking someone else would do it first. Nobody did, though. It happens every school. I sit and wait to see who comes. And this time, nobody came. I'm sorry, Ben. I really am. It's okay. Where are you moving to? We don't know yet. That's always how it is. Do you like things here? Did you find anything good in this school? The tree is good. We've been sitting under it for days, and I never thought about it. You noticed it too. Do you have to go now? I have to say goodbye to the class at noon. I hope your next school has a better tree. I hope so too. How was it?
Ben is gone. But I talked to him. I should have done it on Monday. Day 1.
But you did it.
Next time someone sits with no one, Hein, I'm going on day 1.
That's the one.